Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to add Google Fonts in Shopify. Let's begin. First, head over to the Google Fonts website and search for the font you want to use. Take your time browsing the styles, and once you find the one you like, click on it and then download the font. When it finishes downloading, check the file. Most of the time it comes in a .ttf format. Shopify doesn't work with .ttf directly, so we need to convert it to WOFF2, which is the format Shopify supports. To do that, just open your browser and search for Cloud Convert. Click on the Cloud Convert website, and once you're there, hit the Select File button. Choose your .ttf font file and click Open. Now, change the output format to WOFF2 from the drop-down menu. After that, click on Convert, wait for it to finish, then download the converted WOFF2 file to your computer. Now we're going to upload it to Shopify. Go to your Shopify dashboard, then on the left, click on Online Store and then Themes. Find your active theme, click on the three dots next to it, and select Edit Code. In the search box at the top, type base and open the base.css file or theme.css file, depending on your theme. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the file. There's a piece of CSS code you need to add here. I'll include it in the description. Just paste it at the bottom for now and leave it open. Now go back to your Shopify dashboard and on the left, click on Content. Under that, click on Files, under Meta Objects. Here, click on Upload Files, then select the WOFF2 font file we converted earlier. Click Open, and you'll see it uploading. Once it finishes, the file will appear in your library with its URL. Now, go back to your code editor. If you uploaded the font through the Files section instead of Assets, you can replace the font URL in your CSS with the link from the uploaded file. Just make sure the path inside the src colon matches that file URL. After that, go back to your base.css file and replace the placeholder font name in the code you pasted with your actual file name. Make sure there are no typos. Then update the font family name in the CSS to whatever name you want to use across your theme. After that, decide where you want the font applied. For example, if you want it on your whole site, you can set it in the body selector, or for headings, you can apply it to H1, H2, H3, and so on. Add those lines under the code you pasted. Once you're done, hit Save. Now just refresh your store on the front end, and you should see the new font active. And that's it. Your custom Google font is now fully added and working in Shopify. Thank you for watching.